Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the unit down and unplugging it. This prevents shocks and avoids running fan interference. Once done, wait about 5 minutes so internal charge dissipates, then remove the remote batteries to avoid accidental start. Next, grab a Phillips screwdriver and a small tray for screws. You'll need those. Now release the front cover clips. Press the indicated tabs while lifting slightly, or remove 2 screws at the panel hinge, and lower the front panel gently to expose the net. You now focus on the mesh filter and its retaining system, because correct removal prevents damage. First, identify the tabs. Most hair models use small plastic hooks along the top edge and a bottom slot. Then, unhook the top by pushing each tab inward while supporting the filter with your other hand, and once the top clears, tilt the net down to release the bottom edge from its channel. Make sure to check for adhesive or foam seals that may stick. Peel them slowly to avoid ripping the mesh. You finish by either cleaning or replacing the net, and then reversing removal steps to reinstall it properly. Start by seating the top edge into its channel so the tabs align, then tilt the filter back and push the bottom into place until it clicks. This prevents air bypass. Once done, close the front panel and fasten screws. Finally, plug the AC in and run it on low for a few minutes to confirm normal airflow. If you hear rattling, check for loose clips or a misaligned net. Resecure any loose fasteners and repeat the test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.